Jeff, LinCo Diesel Performance and LDP Machine here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. This week we chose something that will pretty much fit just about anybody out there that's turning wrenches, and that is getting the annoying RTV silicone sealer off of bolts, off of your hardware. Whether you're building an engine like we're doing here today, or you're doing a head gasket job, maybe just something simple as a valve cover or oil pan replacement, diesel or gas, transmission, transfer case, you're gonna have your bolts, you get them all clean, and you're gonna have that RTV or anaerobic sealant that's left on there. And if you sit here and scrape this, it's a nuisance, it takes a while. So we're gonna show you the way we do it. It's super fast, works awesome. So gonna be a big help. So all you need is a grinder with a wire brush, a drill with this a standard chuck, and of course some safety glasses. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take our bolt, put the head in the chuck, and if you have a socket head bolt, if you have a socket head bolt that uses an Allen, it'll work too, typically. Worst case, you could take a nut and put a nut in your chuck and double nut the bolt so that you can chuck it up. Just make sure you're safe. I always test it out, make sure it doesn't come loose. So, super safe. Bam, just like that. Clean as can be, super fast, gets all that RTV off. Make sure you get it in there to where you're getting the flange head up against the wire wheel. It gets it all off there. So I'll do one more. We'll get one of these short little guys. This has got some, looks like some Loctite on it, and it's got RTV. So again, just make sure you're being safe when you're chucking the thing up. And just like that, clean as could be. And what's cool is you can sit there and watch it, and you can see it cleaning, so you know when it's good. If you see some hanging off the end, you know it's there, and you can stick it in there. So works great, super good tip. Again, this isn't just for engine building. This isn't just for diesel, gas, diesel, transmission, trench case, your rear diff. You're resealing it. The last guy used RTV, or some applications are sealed by RTV. Bam, there you go. So hopefully this helps. So thanks for watching.